channel, Catatan Kayla, and we are here in the series of the Girl Play House. So today we are gonna unbox some giant Chupa Chups and some giant big chocolate. This is the chocolate. It's called Toblerone. So this is the white chocolate, and this is the golden chocolate. The chocolate one. So let's open. I think she's gonna go first, okay? Okay, here, I'll open. Hey! This is the chocolate. It's giant. Ooh, look at it. Wait, I should stop. And before we're gonna unbox this, don't forget to click that subscribe button down top. Okay? Okay, come on. Oh, look at it! Oh my god! Oh, it looks really moldy.
All of it is mine.
Yeah, I want to eat it too. Young lady. Okay, there is the chocolate. It is really giant size. It's heavy. Here, let me take it.
Come on,
Yummy. Not yet.
This.
Okay, here it is. There is, let's count it. I count 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 bar, and my hand already filled with chocolate.
Yummy!
Hey! Taste that. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, can I try? I'm gonna try the edge. 3, 2, 1.
So yummy.
Look at my hand. Ooh, look at the inside. Ooh, there's like some crumbs. They're like crunchy. I haven't seen. Okay. Now, let's go for the Chupa Chups. Okay. So, here. Oh my god. It's so funny.
So how does it taste?
Really yummy. Not like an original chocolate. It's really sweet. Some almond. Time for the Chupa Chups. Hold this, Aisha. First, let me show you the interview. Okay.
Wait, guys.
Okay, so this is, I'm gonna interview. There says Chupa Chups, yeah, Chupa Chups, and then there's some fruits, and then it says fruit flavor down to the bottom. Ooh. Hi. See, this is the giant Chupa Chups. Yeah, I can't wait to open it. All these days, I wanna open it from September. No, November to December. Okay, so there's 15 inside.
15.
Okay, so let's open it. Hold it. For these days, I cannot wait. 3, 2, 1. Yes, I cannot wait.
Okay, that's okay.
Okay. Time to open it. 3, 2, 1. I am going. There's really many flavor. There's watermelon. There's some watermelon. Yeah.
I want to get this.
There's strawberry.
I'm gonna open it.
Why you want apple, baby? There's an apple.
And I want to
then
open
there's an orange.
Mommy, can you open it?
Oh, look. This is the original one. This is the giant Chupa Chups. Look at the small. Look at the size. Little. It almost covers us up. Look.
Apple.
Cherry. So okay. So let me try. And on the top, there's like a cherry. Yes, a cherry. So I like to pick the. I don't know what to pick. Oh yeah, this is the last one. This is the lemon. This is N. Lemony, lemony, lemony.
Mommy, open it.
Wow. It says Camelo. I don't know what is Camelo.
Mellow.
Camilla.
Melon.
Camilla.
It's melon.
Okay. I think I'm gonna do strawberry.
The alternative.
Let's close this up.
I wanna open.
Down here. There. Can I try?
Ew. How does it taste?
Yummy.
Can I open it? I cannot do it. I cannot wait. I cannot do it. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Ah! Hey, I was like this, and then you're like,
Okay.
and like, ow. Ah! You can have break my teeth, baby.
This is your baby. Eating.
Yeah, and so, don't forget to follow my Instagram at Catatan Kayla.
And
CATATANKAY.
No, mine. Catatan
No.
Aisha. Catatan Aisha.
Oh, gosh. You're so big. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Save it more later. We can eat more.
No.
Okay, so we are already finished with this, and we can sometime make a video about this later. This we already opened it. Look at that. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that smash button.
Aisha.
that like smash button. Hey Aisha, what are you doing? Okay, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye. Aisha, say bye.
Bye.